You guys want greenies? Drew's got to come have it first. You want greenies? Here. Come here, sir. That's a broccoli. What do you think? Broccoli leaf good?
Pretty good.
Okay, broccoli leaf is good. How about Lulu? A tatsoi. Drew? Lulu ate it. How about a purple? Oh, we're losing interest. Puddles are too good. Come here. You want greenies?
It's not green.
Oh, it's not green. Lulu's. Come here, honey. How's that? This one's probably bitter. You want some more? Okay. Oh. Back to the puddles. We have some greenies to ward off Drew, who's feeling himself too much lately. Oh, the puddle's so fun.